Hey Rax, hope all is well on your end. Today's menu we have Showboat hot dogs. So I'm gonna let you get a good look at that. Look at those babies. And then we're gonna get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Hey Rax.
Hey Rax.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Make sure you like, comment, share. Listen, whatever you see here, it's okay for you to share it. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this Showboat hot dog babe is about to devour.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
I hope you guys have been having a wonderful week, had a wonderful weekend, and I'm happy to see you guys. It's been a while, and baby's not here to rush me and be like, did we say grace? So I could actually say that to you guys. We could actually talk. But as babe just said, we are having hot dog, showboat hot dog. We're having some fully loaded hot dogs here today. So here we have the coleslaw hot dog. This is the avocado with some ketchup and some mustard hot dog. And this is one with one of my favorite salads. It's a Jamaican salad. It's cabbage, sweet pepper, mixed with a little sauce on it. So that's pretty tasty. And then here we have some tomato.
I think it's Italian.
This is an Italian dressing. Okay, so here we have some Italian dressing as a topping for this fancy little dog. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bite, and I'm going to do coleslaw first. You know, I'm gonna live on the edge today. I'm gonna try the avocado first. Okay, you guys get the first bite. If you're an avocado fan, then you'll enjoy this, I'm pretty sure. Do you guys see the dog? I hope you do. Okay, so I'm gonna give this one to Big because she's dying to taste this one. So, you know, you have me reach for mine, so I'm gonna have you reach for yours too. I'm gonna do that. There you go. Okay guys, so I am gonna have a conversation with you guys, and I do want to have a conversation with you guys. It's rather puzzling to me in some senses. I'm gonna take a bite of the coleslaw. You could have your first bite of this one too. This is a bit juicy. Crunchy. That's good. Oh my goodness. That's a good dog. That is a good dog. Okay. So, I'm not sure if you guys have ever thought about it, right? But it clicked in my mind maybe a few weeks ago. The world is opening back up and you gotta be social again and everything, and that was never my strong suit. Now, comment down below and tell me if you guys have any social quirks. I guess in 2020, you chose what to do, right? You know, you could either work on yourself or just ignore the problems that you have. Yeah, it's a choice. In 2020, I chose to work on myself. I did, but apparently I missed one. And I wasn't thinking about it because I didn't have to be social, you know? So I wasn't thinking about it. Now, Coleslaw is amazing. Baby made her famous coleslaw. And she stole another one. Thought I didn't see you. I did.
Yeah.
So a few weeks ago I was out and I was listening to music. Usually I go out, I have headphones in. I am listen, my social quirk is to not be social. That's it. It's just simply it. I have nothing else. So I went out and I was listening to a song and the neighbor heard it and she liked it and she said to me, "Is that the new song?" And I said, without realizing, in a very high frequency of tone, I said, "Yes, that's it." That wasn't normal. And I didn't realize until she had this look on her face like I surprised her. And I didn't know what to make of it. So, yeah. I came home and I said to Babe, I think I have a problem. I did. I most certainly did. Now, seriously, comment down below and let me know what are your social quirks. As I said, mine is just to have a high-pitched tone when someone speaks to me. It's like a nervous tick. It's like a reflex. I don't know. People scare me.
Get away from me, reflex.
I know it comes off really, like, it comes off really weird. When I tell you these dogs are stuffed, yeah, they are stuffed. Okay? So this is the one with the Jamaican salad on it. First bite. The salad gives it a nice little kick. I like it. So back to my weird quirk. And your weird quirks. Comment down below. And tell me what your weird quirk is. Your weird social quirk. You know, being social is hard. Let's just be honest. You don't know the kind of people that you're going to meet. You don't know the energy that they have. You don't know the thoughts that they have. It's frightening. Personally, for me. You know, I don't know what you think. But you can comment down below and tell me what you think, but however, I did say I was working on myself, and Baby's helping me with this one. I cannot do this alone. This is I cannot. It's okay. Babe is helping me with this one. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I am a work in progress when it comes to being a social butterfly. Okay. Now, I do appreciate you guys listening to me rambling on and on about social quirkiness. I appreciate you guys for always listening and always commenting, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you think your social quirkiness is, if you have any, because not everybody do. There are some people like Babe who are just natural social butterflies. Like, she just naturally attracts people. and she naturally knows how to talk to people.
I'm a people whore.
Yeah, she's a people whore. So, I'm learning to be a people whore. So don't forget to comment down below and tell me what your quirkiness is, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video. Hotdogs are delicious, that's all I'm saying, and I do appreciate you guys for joining me. Until next time, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Put laughter in your life, a lot of it will light it up. Bye, Rex.